Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is my high mileage E-MAXX. As you can see, it has seen some better days. I used a hack out of this. As you can see, it has like a lot of scratches. And then I have a broken axle right here. So I'm gonna be fixing all of this. So I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Okay, so here we are in the workshop. I got the new parts here. Wheelie bar, skid plates, bumpers, control arms, 17mm nuts for the wheels, new shocks, knuckles with bearings, ball joints, body mount, heavy duty drive shafts, metal, a bunch of screws. Then I got new wheels. I made a new body. And here's a bunch of old parts, old axles. So here we go. is the finished product. Came out sweet. So we're back into business now. Okay, now with the paint, usually you paint the dark colors first and then you do the lighter. I did this so I can have that marble look. Just wanted to try something different. Okay, let's take this puppy for a spin. I'm gonna put this wheelie bar on because it has too much power. Just like my Hayabusa. And then I'm running 5S on this puppy. I have a 6-pole brushless motor with a 150 amps controller. Oh boy, he's alive. Alright guys, and there you have it. The E-MAXX is back to life. Now let me know in the future if you want me to make more RC videos, or do you want me just stick with the motorcycles? Comment below, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one.